Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a niche that balances interest with buyer intent. This matters because passionate audiences convert. Next, pick 2 to 3 affiliate programs that offer competitive commission percentages and clear payout rules. Make sure cookie length fits your sales cycle. Once chosen, register a domain and build a single landing page with an email capture. This gives you a place to send traffic and start collecting leads. Do these steps now to create momentum and measurable progress. Now focus on content and traffic. Produce 10 cornerstone pieces, reviews, comparisons, and how-to guides, because consistent, helpful content drives organic visibility. Once done, optimize each for targeted long-tail keywords and amplify with one paid channel. Test small budgets like $50 to learn cost per acquisition. Simultaneously, build an email funnel with a lead magnet and a 3-step sequence so you own communication and can nurture prospects toward affiliate offers. Continually revise content based on engagement and conversion data. Finish by implementing tracking and scaling. Connect Google Analytics, define conversion goals, and append affiliate tracking ID so you know what works. Once data shows winners, double down on the top 20% of content and either outsource production or repurpose pieces into video and email sequences to scale faster. If results stall, troubleshoot attribution, landing page user experience, and low-converting pages. A quick UX tweak or link fix often restores conversions. Keep iterating until ROI improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.